I hope you have created your free tier account because you will be needing your free tier account for creating resources, and here from here on we will be doing practicals and you must follow along so that you can have the concept in your mind. So the another concept we have is cost management. With Azure, we only pay for what we use. After deploying resources, Azure starts charging us for that resources. We may conduct billing administrative tasks and manage the billing access to costs using cost management tool. Cost management tool is already provided by Azure. With cost management, we can also monitor and control the spending to optimize the Azure resource use. The ways that cost management helps us to plan for and control our costs includes cost analysis, budgets, recommendations, and we can also export cost management data. In simple words, with cost management, we can plan and control our expenses. Let's see where we can find cost management in the portal. So I'm logged into the portal with my Hotmail account. This is the search bar. Here you can search for resources and your subscription. I'll click on this global search and I'll go to my subscription. I recently searched for it, that's why it's in recent services. If you can't find your subscription in recent services, you can just type subscription and you'll get it here. Just click on subscription, it will take you to the subscription page. This is my subscription. You can have a free tier or pay as you go, or your subscription that you have. I'll click on MSDN platform subscription. This is the overview page of subscription. With this, you can hide this tag, this bar, so we can have room for it. Here you can see cost management. This is the tool provided by Azure. If I click on cost analysis, I can see how much I have consumed and what resource is consuming how much amount. So this is the data. The actual cost I have consumed, I have accrued till now is 2426. This is for this billing period. You can see my billing period starts on 27 and ends on 26. You can change the view. I have created my own personal view with subscription daily view. So with this, I can see what resource is costing how much. For example, as you can see, the blue one is storage. So storage is costing me rupees 80 a day. Similarly, the dark blue is virtual machines. So I spin up one virtual machine on June 2nd and it costed me around rupees 67.58 that day. Similarly, here you can see virtual machine is constantly costing me. So my virtual machine is, I can assume that my virtual machine is on, and if I don't require that virtual machine, I can turn it off. So this is a pretty good thing provided by Azure. Similarly, you can change your invoice date. If you want to see last 3 invoices, you can see, if you want to see custom date range, you can do that. You can add filter. So this is all provided. You can even download the data. Next in cost management is cost alerts. We can create alerts. For example, I don't want my virtual machine to spend 100 rupees a day, so I can create an alert for that. Similarly, we can have budgets. If you want to create budget, you can do that. With this add blade, you can just add the budget. If I apply a budget now, it will be applied to my whole subscription. If you want to change the scope, you can do that. Just enter a name for that budget, the period for that budget, the creation date, and the expiration date. Next, we have some advisor recommendations. It will recommend us, for example, if there are some virtual machines that I'm not using, I'm not turning it on, they are underutilized. So Azure can send me some recommendation like turn off that virtual machine or decommission that virtual machine. It is of no use. So in this way, we can use cost management to reduce the costs with these 4 tools.